If you want to listen to music or any other type of audio and you still want to be aware of your surroundings, you can use Listen Through. This Be Here Access feature allows you to hear important sounds from your surroundings while still getting the most out of the audio track you're enjoying. This is perfect for when you exercise, when watching TV with your partner and you want to talk as well, or any other time that you want to be more aware of your environment. To activate and deactivate Listen Through during audio play, a long press, more than 1 second, on the middle button of the right-hand control box toggles the Listen Through function on and off. Short presses on the top button of the right control box gradually increase transparency, while short presses on the bottom button decrease transparency. You can do this through the app as well. While you're listening to media on the phone, the app home screen switches automatically to Listen Through. Move the dot on the slider to the right to increase the volume of ambient sounds, and to the left to decrease it. If you place the dot all the way to the left, Listen Through will be deactivated. You can also choose a default mode for Listen Through in the settings menu. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.